How to get ESPN Plus on your TV. Step number 1, ensure your TV is connected to the internet. Verify that your smart TV or streaming device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or wired internet connection. Step number 2, download the ESPN app. On your smart TV or streaming device such as Roku, Amazon Fire TV, Apple TV, or Chromecast, navigate to the App Store or Channels section. Search for ESPN in the App Store, select and install the ESPN app. Step number 3, open the ESPN app. Launch the ESPN app from your installed apps list or home screen. Step number 4, log into your ESPN account. Open the app and select the ESPN Plus section. Use your ESPN Plus subscription credentials to log in. If prompted, activate your device by visiting the provided URL and entering the code displayed on your TV screen. Step number 5, access ESPN Plus content. Navigate to the ESPN Plus tab within the app to browse and stream exclusive content, including live sports and shows. Step number 6, start streaming. Select a live event, replay, or program from the ESPN Plus section and enjoy it on your TV.